This chilling Ring camera footage captures a tragic event on Eagles Bluff Drive in Clarksville, Tennessee. A 15-year-old victim brutally shot and left abandoned in the street. After shooting the 15-year-old, the assailants cruelly hurled him from a moving vehicle, casting him into the desolate streets of the neighborhood. His cries for aid echoed throughout the area, intensifying the unsettling atmosphere of this tragic event. The boy desperately tried to call out for help, but he lost consciousness before anyone could come to his aid. As of now, the perpetrators responsible for this heinous act are still at large, as law enforcement continues their relentless search for justice. On September 23, 2022, a mysterious knock at the door startled this homeowner.
Can I help you?
Oh yes, they came to check your air filters. I'm not sure. This is 38277.
This man said he was there to check the homeowner's air filters, but the homeowner was suspicious and refused entry.
Apartment. No one came to check air filters.
Can you repeat that?
No one came to check the air apartment.
No. Yes, we're checking the air filters.
Oh, nobody's home right now. You'll have to wait till another day.
After the homeowner claimed that no one was home through the camera, the intruder and his accomplice attempted to break down the door. Little did they know, what would happen next would shock them to their core. The homeowner fired at them through the door, causing them to flee. It remains unknown whether they were hit, as the police were unable to locate them thereafter.
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
On February 12, 2019, eerie Ring camera footage emerged, capturing a disturbing incident. A man was seen following a woman home, setting an ominous tone for what follows. As the homeowner confronts the man, he utters something truly shocking, sending chills down everyone's spine.
Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rip her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rip and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in.
The homeowners wasted no time in contacting the police after the unsettling encounter. But despite their swift response, the man was never identified or apprehended. On June 15, 2023, unsettling footage emerged from Denver, Colorado. The woman behind the camera captured what appears to be a group of men forcefully attempting to shove a struggling individual into a white van. The person can be seen visibly struggling, pinned down by what appears to be 5 men, their desperate attempts to resist clearly captured on camera, adding to the chilling nature of the scene. The woman recording was unsure whether she was witnessing some kind of prank or a genuine abduction unfolding before her eyes. Despite her shock, she resolved to contact the police immediately. However, the van vanished without a trace, and the suspects eluded capture, leaving the incident shrouded in mystery. On November 27, 2022, chilling Ring doorbell footage captured a woman fleeing from a man before suddenly being grabbed and dragged away by the mysterious figure. The woman's disappearance sent shockwaves through the community, leaving friends and family distraught and desperate for answers. Despite extensive searches and investigations, the man responsible for her abduction remains at large, adding to the sense of fear and uncertainty. Police have appealed to the public for any information that may lead to the woman's whereabouts or help identify the mysterious man seen in the footage. Although the woman is still missing, her family and friends continue to hold on to hope for her safe return. On January 15, 2021, chilling Ring camera footage captured a woman being chased down by a truck in the middle of the street. The woman's desperate cries for help could be heard as she pleaded for the vehicle to stop. The homeowner, who captured the footage, is uncertain of the woman's identity and remains deeply concerned about her well-being. On July 15, 2023, horrifying footage was captured, depicting a woman's screams as she was abducted in front of a group of bystanders. The onlookers were stunned and uncertain about how to respond to the alarming situation. After witnessing the incident, the couple promptly called the police. However, despite their efforts, the kidnapped person was never identified as missing, and the kidnapper evaded capture, leaving the community with lingering questions and concerns. In this video on October 25, 2019, in Baltimore, Maryland, this Ring camera footage was captured. It shows two middle-aged men wearing masks around their faces attempting to break into this woman's house. The suspects were armed with a gun and were likely attempting to commit a robbery. During the ordeal, the homeowner was completely unaware as she slept soundly. It wasn't until the following day, upon discovering a flurry of camera notifications, that she became aware of the chilling events that unfolded. Shocked by what she witnessed in the footage, she promptly contacted the authorities. Despite her efforts, no arrests were made in connection with the incident.
Yo. Yo. Yo, Kevin. Come on, bro.
The suspects were searching for someone named Kevin. Police speculate that these two individuals were gang members, and it's believed they were attempting to settle some form of business with Kevin. On August 8, 2020, in Chicago, Illinois, a mother and her son were walking home when something terrifying unfolded. A man with a gun approached them from behind, attempting to rob her.
everything. Give me the keys and everything. Give me the keys. Give me your money, everything. Keys, everything. Everything. Money, keys.
Being held at gunpoint, the woman had no choice but to comply.
Money, keys. Purse. Here are the keys. Purse. Oh, give me your purse. Give me your fucking purse right now. What up, cuz?
Okay, lấy cho nhá, lấy cho.
After hearing the commotion, the husband rushed outside to investigate, but it was too late. The woman and her son had already been robbed. Following the incident, the woman promptly called the police. Fortunately, the suspects were eventually caught and charged with armed robbery. And that's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.